second seat over the live well, and the captain's chair. These are just random tie-offs in case I need to tie off under a bridge or something. I got them on both sides, they come in handy. And this is why this strap works good. We just pull up to the side bank when we want to take a break or something. Drive a rod peg into the mud and just tie off. I added this little lever here because with the seat here, if you lean to the left, this would swing open. So this is a little add-on that I did. The V front on this John boat really helps cutting through the chop. On the back of the boat you can see they added this bracket for the fish finder so you don't have to drill into the hull of the boat. Dropping that jig down to the bottom. Here you can see right here we're about 12 feet. We're going to try a little oh, getting good hits already.
Yeah, that helps. Brace. I think it's going to be a staple every time I fish.
Oh, he's a nice one, I think. Why is he coming back here? Oh.
Wow, that's a pretty one.
Another dog. What? This is what John boats are made for right here. I wonder if there's a fish right here, bro. Oh. Wow, this is amazing. Deep enough for a zigazoo. Oh wow, that's deep.